Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. This is Veronica, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how I remove my dark circles, how I take care of my under eyes, and how I remove my dark circles, and I'm going to show you all the process. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. Guys, I'm going to remove my makeup, and for removing my makeup here I'm taking this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, and here I'm taking this cotton pads and I'm going to remove my makeup. I'm taking few drops of this micellar water and I'm going to remove my makeup. After removing my makeup, now I'm going to wash my face, and I always use this Dot & Key Acne Control Facial Cleansing Foam. This is seriously amazing. If you're having acne or acne prone skin, then you should go with this Dot & Key Acne Control. This is seriously amazing. It controls your acne like a pro. So here I'm going to wash my face with this face wash. Now friends, I'm going to wash my face with normal water. After washing my face with normal water, now I'm going to take care of my under eye, and for my under eyes, now I'm going to apply this golden eye mask. You can take any brand of golden eye mask. Let me tell you what this product claims. It says this product can gradually release the nutrients under the body temperature and quickly into the skin, provide skin with the nutrients and moisture needed. The thickness of collagen crystal eye mask can get thinner, and with the absorption rate, and when it is applied, it will gonna remove your dark circles like a pro. So this is what golden eye mask do, and now I'm going to apply it on my under eyes. After applying this, now we have to leave it for 20 minutes, and this is like so good. This is so soothing for your eyes. This is amazing. Now I have to sit like this for 20 minutes, and I'm in a relaxing mode now. After 20 minutes, now friends, I'm going to remove this like this, and I'm going to wash my eyes with normal water. After washing my face again with normal water, the last and the most important step is applying under eye cream for removing dark circles, and for that here I'm taking this professional O3 Plus eye cream. You can see eye circle cream. This is amazing for dark circles. If you're having dark circles, just try this and you will gonna get rid of your dark circles in just 3 days, and after 3 days you will start seeing the difference. And one more thing guys, all the products which I'm using here is available at simsim.com. Simsim is an app where you can buy all the products which I'm using here while watching my videos, and I'm going to share the link of that app in my description box. So beauties, don't forget to check my description box. So now I'm going to apply this O3 Plus eye cream under my eyes. This eye cream is so soothing and so good for your eyes. There is no side effect, nothing, and it smells so good. So beauties, this is how I take care of my under eyes, and doing this step regularly helps me a lot in removing dark circles. So all these steps which I showed you, you do this regularly before going to sleep, except that golden eye mask that I do 3 times a week, and especially I use that O3 Plus eye cream because that is too good. It not only removes dark circles, but it also good for removing wrinkles and puffiness and redness under your eyes. So that's why I will recommend you go with that O3 Plus under eye cream. That is too good. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much beauties. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.